Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using a massive microwave that takes up way too much space in your kitchen? I sure was. That's why I was excited to try the TOSHIBA ML4-EM09PA small countertop microwave oven. This thing is a game changer. With its compact design and liquid-cooled system, it's perfect for small kitchens or offices. One of the features that really stands out to me is the two-step child lock. It's so easy to use and it gives me peace of mind when I'm not around to supervise. The sound of the lock clicking into place is reassuring, and the feel of the buttons is solid and responsive. I've also been impressed with the 6 preset menus. They make cooking a variety of dishes a breeze, from heating up leftovers to cooking frozen vegetables. The result is always consistent and delicious. The preset for defrosting is especially useful. It's so much easier to defrost meat or frozen meals by weight or time, and the mute mode is a lifesaver when I'm trying to cook early in the morning without waking up the whole household. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's just so easy to use and the results are always great. I've found that the 11 unique power levels give me a lot of flexibility when I'm cooking. Whether I'm reheating a cup of coffee or cooking a frozen meal, I can tailor the power level to get the best results. The glass turntable is also a nice touch. It's easy to clean and it rotates smoothly, giving my food a consistent cooking experience. Overall, I'm really happy with the TOSHIBA ML4-EM09PA. It's been a great addition to my kitchen, and I think it would be a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use microwave. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.